Hello everyone. It's been a while since I posted a video. I wanted to update everybody on a little project I've been working on. The back half of the donor van for our big build I've been planning to turn into a trailer, and so that's what I've done. Why don't we go and check it out? Alright, so as you can see, I have taken the back half of the donor van and turned it into a off-road style trailer. I built the tongue myself. The rack was welded into the body. As you can see here, inside of this cubby here, I've mounted a diesel heater. This whole engine compartment is going to be sealed in as an enclosed storage compartment. The heater is ducted up the original engine vent there out to this here. Ducting attaches to this and gets funneled up into the roof tent that gets mounted to the rack. I have not started to paint the inside of the trailer yet. I still have a little bit of work to do. The wheels are off of an Audi A6 that I had sitting here. I'm not sure I like them yet on the trailer, but they don't look too bad. In the fender well here you can see the plumbing for the heater. Exhaust going out the back. The intake runs up towards the front. Fuel line. Fuel pump is up behind the spring perch there. Runs forward. The tongue, like I said, was home built. Originally I got it from a utility trailer, which was just this outer C channel, as you can see. I fully tubed it using 1.5-inch tubing stacked on top of each other. So in the center it's double walled. I have an excess of this 1.5-inch tubing, so as you can see, lots of things are made out of it. At the opening here at the bottom, that's where water will be allowed to drain out if it gets into the trailer. I'm going to be putting rubber flaps over the fronts of them so water and junk can't get sprayed in, but water can get out. Hard to tell that this front piece is wood. The texture from the bed liner really allows it to kind of blend a lot of things. It's really great to work with. For a while I've been contemplating whether I was going to cover the slider door track up or not. I decided not to for a couple of reasons. I kind of thought, one, that it could be handy for a quick shelf that you can slip in under there and then quickly remove. But also the second reason was, well, I didn't want to destroy a slider door cover. It's because the Vanagon is independent suspension. The amount of ground clearance under this trailer is amazing. Through this taillight opening you can see the diesel heater mounted. And it's ducting. Can't really see it very well. When all is said and done, it'll use the original tail lights. Behind the license plate, I'm hoping to add a couple of outlets from the inverter and maybe some 12-volt receptacles just to quickly get at while camping. The roof tent opens to the back of the trailer, so it's going to overhang the rear. Be pretty exciting to get that mounted up as soon as the bed liner is done curing. I just rolled on the last coat, so you're seeing it pretty much in real time as I've finally gotten the final coat on. Alright guys, thanks for stopping in and checking out my video. If you like the content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.